In this video, we're going to look at foods that look like body parts that they're good for. In other words, God created certain foods that actually look like certain parts of the body, and those parts of the body that they look like, they're actually good and beneficial and healthful. A sliced carrot looks like the human eye. According to science, eating carrots greatly enhances blood flow to the eyes. Carrots get their orange color from a plant chemical called beta-carotene, which reduces the risk of developing cataracts. The chemical also protects against macular degeneration and age-related sight problems that affects 1 in 4 individuals over the age of 65. If one tries to pop a pill of beta-carotene, it doesn't have the same effect, says scientists at Johns Hopkins Hospital in Baltimore, USA. Grapes resemble the alveoli of the lungs. The lungs are made of branches of ever smaller airways that finish up with tiny branches of tissue called alveoli. These structures allow oxygen to pass from the lungs to the bloodstream. A diet high in fresh grapes has shown to reduce the risk of lung cancer and emphysema. Grapeseed also contain a chemical called proanthocyanidin, which is thought to reduce the severity of asthma triggered by allergies. One reason that premature babies struggle to survive is that these alveoli do not begin to form until 23 to 24 weeks of pregnancy. A walnut looks like a little brain, a left and right hemisphere, upper cerebrums and lower cerebellums. Even the wrinkles or folds on the nut are similar to those of the neocortex. Scientists claim that walnuts help in developing over 3 dozen neuron transmitters within the brain, enhancing the signaling and encouraging new messaging link between the brain cells. Walnuts help warding off dementia. They also extract and break down the protein-based plaques associated with Alzheimer's diseases, according to a study by Dr. James Joseph of Tufts University in Boston. Kidney beans actually heal and help maintain kidney function and are shaped exactly like the human kidneys, hence their name. Kidney beans provide a variety of minerals and vitamins, and so are generally beneficial for your health. If your kidneys are healthy, kidney beans can, when consumed as a part of a balanced diet, contribute to your kidney health. If your kidneys are diseased, you might need to moderate your intake of kidney beans. Celery, rhubarb, bok choy, and more look just like bone structures. These foods specifically target bone strength. Bones are made up of 23% sodium, and these foods have sodium in them. If you don't have enough sodium in your diet, the body pulls it from the bones, making them weak. These foods replenish the skeletal needs of the body. Avocados and pears are good for the health and functioning of the womb and cervix of the female and look just like these organs. Modern research shows that when a woman eats 1 avocado a week, it balances the birth hormones, sheds unwanted birth weight, and can prevent cervical cancer. It even takes exactly 9 months to grow an avocado from blossom to ripen fruit, just like a human baby. There are said to be over 14,000 photolytic chemical constituents of nutrition in each one of these foods. Figs are full of seeds and hang in twos when they grow. Studies have shown that figs increase the mobility of male sperm and increase the sperm count, as well as overcoming male sterility. Sweet potatoes resemble the pancreas and can actually balance the glycemic index of diabetics. The oblong sweet potato bears a strong resemblance to the pancreas and also promotes healthy function in the organ. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which is a potent antioxidant that protects all tissues of the body, including the pancreas, from damage associated with cancer or aging, says Sommer. Olives assist the health and function of the ovaries. An Italian study found that women whose diets included a lot of olive oil had a 30% lower risk of ovarian cancer. The reasons are unclear, but the healthy fats in the oil may help suppress genes predisposed to causing cancer. Grapefruits, oranges, and other citrus fruits look just like the mammary glands of the female and actually assist the health of the breast and the movement of lymph in and out of the breast. The similarity between round citrus fruits like lemons and grapefruit and breast may be more than coincidental. Grapefruit contains substances called limonoids, which have been shown to inhibit the development of cancer in lab animals and in human breast cells, says Dr. Mulavi. Bananas. Eating will cheer you up and put a smile on your face. This popular fruit contains a protein called tryptophan. When digested, it gets converted into a neurotransmitter called serotonin, which is a mood-regulating chemical in the brain. Banana can be termed as an antidepressant drug, since it adjusts the level of serotonin production in the brain. Onions look like the body's cells. Research shows onions clear waste materials from all of the body's cells. They even produce tears, which wash the epithelial layers of the eyes. Mushrooms, when sliced in half, resembles the shape of the human ear. Mushrooms improve hearing abilities since they contain vitamin D, which is healthy for bones, especially the 3 tiny bones in the ear that transmit sound to the brain. And finally, we have here the ginseng root. It looks like a human body, and it is a holistic cure for nearly all ailments. I guess the saying's true, you are what you eat. As we can see here, God knew what he was doing when he created these foods for our benefit. I hope you've enjoyed this video.